Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Omsi Reddy. Today I am going to show you one of the best website for who are game lovers. The people who are playing the games, they have love about the games and playing the games continuously. But playing a game, so we can't earn the money, but we have get an enjoyment and one of the fun by playing the games. But today I will show you one of the best website for you to earn the money and enjoy it a lot. Let's move into that. That means how to earn money by playing the games. I will show you just base. This is a popular website. You have already seen that. Just go into the Chrome and type Playtest Cloud. This is the interface of this website. It is a very lovable website and we can earn the money. This overall, just look at overall this website. There is a brands of a website, how they are working, what are the things. If you like this website, please see that what are the things under the website. But you want to earn the money by playing the games. For that case, here the right side corner you have a become a teach tester. So just going to press that and the interface you have get like this and sign up before. If you are eligibility, we will send you a testificate qualification test, and the qualification is unpaid. They are providing the unpaid qualification test. Why this qualification test means, if you are eligible for this type of games of playing things based on your age and works and some of the things, they are really considered. And if you, once you can clear that qualification test, then you can get earn the money for the hourly base in dollars. Then just to go into the this interface and give your mail, full name, which game do you like to play, like PUBG, Free Fire, Call of Duty, much more games is there. Please add some of them, and please mention your device, like Android, iOS, and other where you are playing the games. So which type of device you are playing the games, and which country you are living present. It is very important. And next, you are a gender wise female or male, and give your date of birth, everything. These are the things that they will ask. Please fill this form and start the testing games. Then automatically they will send some of the qualification test to you, and after completing this qualification test you can start earning this money. I hope you are all understand about this website. This is a simple website you can where playing the games and earn the money.